If 12 foams give us 17,000 naira as profit, that means one foam is giving us 1,416 naira. Now, if you can produce up to 2,000 pieces a month, that means you are going home with 2,832,000 naira as profit for the month. You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a unique business that you can start and make good profit. This business is not popular and is almost, it could be described as untapped business, because the business is not popular and you can start with as low as 200,000 naira and above. You can start with this and make good money. So stick to the end of this video. I will not regret it, because I'm going to share with you something that is unique in the market. This business is scalable and you can actually turn it to be one of the biggest companies in town. Stick to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell. Don't forget to drop your comment, your own opinion, like this video. Recommend this channel to your friend. Having said that, let's go straight to the video. Now, recently we have been uploading and analyzing all kinds of businesses. Now, in today's video, I have this unique mattress. This is a camp mattress. It's very unique and simple. Now, we got this for 6,000 naira. We bought this mattress for 6,000 naira, and it's very easy. It has a handle like a traveling bag that you can go with it anywhere you want to go, any camping, maybe church conventions and other meetings and seminars that require maybe for you to pass the night right there. There's no way to go to a hotel because of the training. Also, if you have been involved in trainings and camping of students and seminars, and you have the youths that you are training and they need bed, they need something to use, you can actually get this for your business and you train people very easy and make good money. When you have this, it's very easy anywhere you feel comfortable. Because now, before I go further, I want to open this foam and show you how wide it is and how beautiful, comfortable it could be. Now, from here, you can, when you get to wherever you want to camp, maybe in a convention center, seminar, training centers, and all kind of places that require, for you to prepare. Some persons go there with big foams and all kind of things. No, you don't need a big foam. You don't need to carry student foams. This is what you need. Now, when you get to the place, all you need to do is just to unzip it. Very simple, and open it, remove the cover, remove the bag, and boom, here is your beautiful mattress that you can use anywhere. You can see it very wide. You can see the width, comfortable like that of a student foam, and then the length is very, very nice. This is just 6,000 naira. And now, if you get this one anywhere you feel comfortable, so it's a very lucrative business. Why am I saying this? Now, if you get the unbranded foam, the unpadded foam, the one that is naked, and slice it to this thickness, you are going to get enough. Now, let me use the one displayed on the screen for you. Now, that one is 8 inches. Now, if you slice that one, let's assume that it come up 12 pieces of this. Now, if you have 12 pieces of this and we bought this 6,000 naira, that means if you multiply it, now you can see the price of the naked foam, or the unpadded, whatever name you call it, on your screen. That is the price right now on GG. Then you get the nylon for your tailor or your designers, those that will fix it, will pad it, will use. Now, this another beautiful benefit in buying this or using this mattress is that it's actually water resistant. It does not absorb water easily. So even if you are traveling and the rain, or where you are camping, rain is disturbing, you can actually just fold it, zip it up inside the bag, and then you are safe. When the rain stops, you have a dry bed to use. So it's very, very good. Now, you can see that it's coated with nylon. Then the bag is also made of nylon. Now, if you have this, if you slice this to the 12 pieces I am talking about, you can see the price that The naked one is sold 35,000. Let's assume that you spend 5,000 naira to buy the packaging, the wrapping, the padding materials. See that it will take us 55,000 naira to prepare the 12 pieces. Now, if you are selling it for 6,000 naira, that means you are going to have 72,000 naira for the 12 pieces. Subtract the cost of production from the income, you have 17,000 naira. In other words, if you invest 52,000 naira, you're going to make 17,000 naira as profit. And you know, distributing 12 pieces is so easy. So we're looking at where you are running it as a company, and you can produce not less than 1,000 to 2,000, 3,000 pieces a month. So if you are producing that, you can imagine how much you're going to make for a year. This is one beautiful, lucrative, untapped business that you can step in. Now, it is easy. You may be asking, how am I going to supply? Where am I going to supply this? Hospitals can use this, and hostels, schools can use it. So you can supply to schools that, new schools in your area, or schools that need to equip their bedding. You can actually supply this and they will use it. Also, some churches that always go for camping, you can also supply them and get your money. These are different strategies. And you can also supply, get distributors that will distribute this bed nationwide. Whenever you can, all you need to do is just to fold it and return it back to the bag, and then you hang it as if it's a traveling bag and you're going wherever. It's so light, it's not heavy, and it's so comfortable, very, very comfortable to use. If 12 foams give us 17,000 naira as profit, that means one foam is giving us 1,416 naira. Now, if you can produce up to 2,000 pieces a month, that means you are going home with 2,832,000 naira as profit for the month. And so you can see how lucrative the business is. Now, let's assume that out of that 2,832,000 naira per month, you are going to use 800,000 for distribution and payment of salaries. That means you are going home with not less than 2 million naira as profit for the month. Now, imagine if you have a company, if you're starting a company and you can, generate 2 million naira as profit for the month as a beginner, that means it's a good business for you to step in. And that means you can step in, start producing this every day, and you're going to make good money. Now, the secret in this business is your ability to distribute. If you have what it takes, if you know distributors, if you can actually distribute this, you're going to make more than we calculate, more than we analyze, because the market is there, the demand is high. If you can, another system, another secret, simple way to distribute this is to have outlets, to have some shops, locations close to universities, because 60% of the students are not in their hostels. They rent their own apartment outside the campus, outside the hostels, and so most of them don't use those big beds. They buy things like this and use. Some of them are using mats. So if you offer something that is just 6,000 naira, you're going to sell more than expected, and you're going to sell every time, because new students are coming, old students are going. This is a lucrative business that anyone can step in and make good profit. If you want more details, contact the number, connect us on WhatsApp on the number displayed on your screen. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell. You can contact us. Let's discuss more business, more connections. See you in our next video. Bye bye.